I'm sure many of you will be daunted by your rosemary this year. This is a matter of wind scorch, because it's on a very exposed corner, and dieback, and the two have sort of combined together. So the great thing is to cut back and stay within the green. So when you have a branch like this here, you see it's going brown down there, so I will cut it back as low as possible, stay within the green, and it'll be fine. When you get big chunks like this, where the whole thing is gone, you take it back right to the stem, and that will take it out. We're going to show you how to prune this. So Tim's going to give me a hand because this is a big job, and we'll cut in and out as we go, and he will take over because we've got to keep socially distanced even though we're outside, and he will take back all the big stuff for me. I look at this branch here, this branch here, there's no green on it until you get, well, I'm not sure if you can see it, but if you look right back in there, can you see that there? There? This one here, I'm waggling, that one.
Just about.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to cut back to there. So that whole branch is dead, but there's that green living there. So you keep cutting back to the green. Green here, green there. Nobody there. Cutting him.
Yeah.
He's definitely dead. This one's easier to do, there's less on it. Well, Tim and I have been literally hacking this back, and I've now made the decision that we can actually save it because there's enough new growth coming, and if we keep just nipping it out within the green, it'll bush out, and you'll be amazed in a few months this will have totally greened up and will be looking fantabulous again.